Hello, in front of me is AGM Pad P2, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first, open your phone dialer. Now select the contact that you want to personalize, mark Edit, and click on Add Picture. So now you can pick something from your device photos, Google Photos, or illustrations, however you prefer. And let me choose this one. Now you can customize it however you like. Okay, so maybe this way. I'm not sure why it's like zoom is not working. Okay, so maybe there is not such possibility to zoom it in. Now just crop it and tap on choose to save it. Mark save to apply. And that's it. So this is how you can add photo to contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.